Hi, this is Mato. Welcome to my online chess lecture. In this video I will show you a game between Paul Morphy and Hugh Kennedy. This is a game from Blindfold simul that Morphy played on 8 boards in London, England in 1859. Morphy had white pieces and he started with e4. Kennedy played e5, knight to f3, attacking the pawn, defending. The Italian game, bishop to c4, b4, the Evans Gambit accepted, c3, bishop to c5, and Morphy castled kingside. d6, the most played move, d4, e takes on d4, c takes on d4, attacking the bishop, bishop to b6, d5, attacking the knight and gaining the space on the board, black to move, knight on c to e7. Kennedy didn't like knight to a5, because his knight would be placed on the edge of the board. So he played knight on c to e7. e5. Knight to g6. Kennedy didn't like d takes on e5, because then white knight would be too close to his king, although this is playable for black. Knight to g6, e6. F takes on e6, d takes on e6. Knight from 8 to e7. Kennedy is actually doing quite well. Knight to c3, black to move. c6, intending d5 was played. Perhaps castling should have been considered. c6, looks very interesting. d5, blocking the bishop on c4, and then playing bishop takes on e6. What would you do about this threat, d5? How would you continue now? Paul Morphy played the best move, knight to g5, intending knight to f7, knight to e5. If d5 is played, then knight to f7, forking the queen and the rook, and after queen to c7, knight takes on h8, and white is winning. Back to our game. So, Kennedy played knight to e5, defending and attacking. How would you continue? Knight to f7 is also possible. Morphy played bishop to f4, developing another piece and attacking black's best placed piece. g6. If knight takes on c4, the knight to f7 attacking the queen and the rook, and after queen to c7, bishop takes on d6, and after knight takes on d6, knight takes on d6, check and white is winning. g6 was played, knight to f7, attacking the rook and the queen. Black is between the rock and the hard place. Kennedy castled kingside. If queen to c7, the knight takes on d6 check, and after king to f8, bishop to h6 check, king to g8, knight from c to e4 with a winning attack. Back to our game. Castling. Knight takes queen immediately is possible. Morphy played bishop takes on e5. Black to move, rook takes knight. If queen goes to a safe spot, then what happens then? Then knight to h6, checkmate. So the very dangerous knight had to be eliminated. Rook takes on f7, pawn takes rook, check. King to f8, bishop takes on d6, winning the pawn and pinning the knight. Bishop to g4, bishop for bishop offer. How would you continue now? What is the best move for white in this position? Morphy played queen to d2, threatening queen to h6, checkmate. g5, white to move. White played a move and black resigned. The move is rook from a to e1. Kennedy resigned. For the entertainment purpose, I will show you just one line. h6, as good as any other move available to black. Then rook takes on e7, queen takes on e7, bishop takes on e7 check, king takes on e7, rook to e1 check, king to f8, queen to d6 check, king to g7, rook to e8, and after rook takes rook, pawn takes rook, queen. And everybody knows that blindfolded players are too dangerous when they have two queens. What do you think of this game? And that is all. I hope that you enjoyed watching this video. I wish you good luck with your chess, and bye for now.